So, with that being said, let's just get to it.
Jump to the back of the case, strict when I walk straight through, no chase. Water flow down from the top to my lace, take a bitch straight down to the goddamn place. Bitch say I leave, hey bitch don't call. Fuck what you say, shit never go fall. Check quick that I show with the walk to the stall. Never going back to the place in the fall.
What's going on, guys? I hope you guys like that cinematic shot. What's that? I'll get back to that when I first started the video. Hold on, let me check something. What was that? I like how I was coming to start the vlog. Got this little guy appears. No, don't be camera shy. Say hi to the people. Say hi to the people. How are you? Good morning. Good morning, little fella. I think he's just a little shit. I think he's just a little camera shy. What's going on, guys? This is Corey from TC Nation 87. I own a 1987 IROC-Z L1 LSA. It's coming up later. Today is a magnificent day. But before I say what I need to say, first I gotta bring up the Bible verse of the day. I will love thee, O Lord, my strength shall come out. Psalm 17. Verse 1. God is my strength. Whenever I think I'm down, or whenever I think I can't do it, God is that strength that if I don't think I'm going to do something, believe in God, and before you know it, you're accomplishing what you're doing. So, in life, never be afraid to do what you do, and if you do what you do and you don't know how to do it, ask God. God will show you the way. God is the way. So subscribe if you like the Bible verses of the day and everything. Subscribe to Dragon ZL1 if you're with the America flag on. Subscribe to Dragon ZL1. Subscribe to the Multi-Channel, and subscribe to my girlfriend's channel as well. All links are all down below. I got to do a whole bunch of things early this morning, so I got myself cereal. It does prevent the speech impediment from happening too much. So I got that there, and what we are going to do today is this, but let me show you what we're going to do today. So with that being said, let's just get to it. And there it is, guys, in the air for one last time. There it is, guys, it's in the air. Like I said, one last time. There's a lot of stuff that I gotta do. A lot of things to be finalized. It's probably gonna take me a course of a couple days because it's already 8:30. It's starting to rise, like always. Do this in the morning or around 7 o'clock until like 9 o'clock. Today, my body can't take that heat. And my sweat can't take that dampness because I itch like crazy. Sorry, my phone is doing that stuff where it's cutting off for no reason. Let's start by this side. Hey guys, so basically I have this air. I am going to loosen these. What size do I need? Move this. Move that. I think what goes on here was a 17 if I'm not. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Why are my wheels so scratched up? Well, now you know. Now you know why my wheels are so scratched up, because there's the neighbor. That wheel off, the wheel there. Take this off. Now, this is supposed to go on the other side anyway. Throw this down. Hope you guys enjoy. Oh, it's on. Every time you try to record, it's like recording and then it just shuts off. Okay. Okay. So I have to take this. I got these the right way, so now what I gotta do here, and let's see, cause this out. Yeah, there we go. Bam. Got it pulled out. The bracket would go. Came with that, each bolt according to how it goes, and rock, guys. So yeah, that'll go axle as well. Gotta see if it'll, hold on, because you gotta put it in a certain way. You can't put it in the wrong way. There we go. Put it like that, and then on the wheel I'll go in just like that and get on. So the Brembos got the rim. This thing, I'm tremendously sorry. It just keeps clicking off every time I'm recording something. So pretty much, since they go right in the slots, here, I have to use that. I'm gonna have to use a 1/2 inch. Oh, there. Remember I was talking to you guys about this being the wrong rotor? Like I said, see? But essentially that's the look I'm trying to go for. Like I said, I can't really do anything until I like 100% until I actually get the right rotors for BMW. So if you got a BMW, you want these, hit me up. They're yours. All for $100. It's my phone. I'm recording YouTube video. YouTube video. It's for YouTube.
What?
I said it's for YouTube. I'm a YouTuber. Too. Oh, you're saying to hell with it, huh? My phone. I'm recording. Well, whatever. Anyway, my throat's starting to go dry. Looks like I have to pick up this video later on when I get the right rotors. If things wasn't holding me up, it would have been about like 6 videos that's done, but within those 6 videos there are things that are holding me up, and they require a substantial amount of money, which is the reason why it's going to take a long time. I was trying to pump 3 videos, but it looks like this might be going back to 1 video a week, because like I said, the more it takes, like the more things I'm doing right now, it takes a lot more money. So it means that it might be 1 video a week, and I might be talking videos until I can come up with the right part, and then we can start to move forward again. I have to put this back together again. So like the ones that you've seen in the past, this is also going to be one of those videos that's going to take a couple of weeks to get done. So as you've seen, the brackets fit, the brackets to work on there. Of course, I actually have to put the wheels and tires on because I gotta wait for the rotors to get here. I did order them, they are on their way. I needed to get something, but I had to sacrifice something in order to get the rotors. But the rotors were on the way and they are coming. These are not the right rotors, the right ones are coming. So with that being said, I hope you like this video. I hope you like that cinematic opening. I hope you like the Bible verse. I hope you take everything that I tell you into consideration. I hope you like the videos that I've been putting out and everything. So with that being said, follow God in your heart, because without God, nothing, and I mean absolutely nothing, is possible without God. So keep that in mind. Hope you guys like that video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, please share. So with that being said, guys, keep it T-Z all the way to the end. Take care and have a great day. Alright guys. All of my social media is on links below, but take care. Alright guys, have a great day. Fuck!